So here we have a sample of skin at 40 times magnification.
Oh, no.
So here's the skin sample at 100 times magnification. It's a pretty thick sample, so it might be hard to see individual cells, but you can kind of see the outlines of cells and their nuclear matter. And then if we go to 400 times, I'm just going to troll around here at 400 times and see what we can find. So you can see some nuclei in there, in those cells. See kind of a spattering of cells where they've been dyed through there. Okay.